To fix this problem, we need to change this tooth in Norwegian. I don't know the English word. We need to remove the screw inside the handle. Be careful that you don't lose it. Okay, here we go. There is the screw in there. There we have it. Screw and a dirty, not good looking handle. I have got a new one, so we will replace it with. Then we need to remove this one. This is screwed on. And here we go. Removing this plastic, I don't know, gasket or something. This one we need to reuse, I think. And here we have the old one. Then we have also a gasket down here, which you also need. You just need to clean them both. And then here are two rubber seals. Let's just remove them as well. And there we have it. Two old seals, throw away. And the kit you buy is containing everything you need. It's a plastic bag with the two new seals and some sandpaper, which you need to file with all the dirt inside there. This one was also included in the kit, which I did not know, so then we don't need this either. We use the new one, of course. This tiny piece is the stopper, so this one don't go all the way around. You can put it inside here if you like it. I don't like it, I like to push it all the way around, so I will ditch this one. There is a nice manual included in the kit as well, which explains everything very well in the pictures. And you have a lot of pages with different languages. So we take the sandpaper, put it inside where the gasket is supposed to go, and then just that looks nice. Remove all old grease. Look at that, nice and shiny. In here and in here the gasket is supposed to go. The new one. Yes. Then we are ready to install the new X seal. They have a groove on each side, looks like an X pattern. We take the included grease and put on the seal. It's a good idea to be extra careful when you put it through the threads, because they are very sharp, so they can rip up the seal. And here we go. Both seals in place. Everything's ready. All we have to do now is to install this one. Just slide it down real easy, And then this plastic ring. All the way down there. This one, which we also happens to have a new one in the kit. And here we go. Let's see. Yeah! Fantastic! No more leak in here. Amazing. Then just install the handle. Match up the screw with the hole. Here. Yes. And the little screw. And the little plastic. And here we are. Good to go. Amazing. That's all, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye.